wanted to learn backend development, but all I used to get were videos. What I used to do was just see some tutorials. That was mostly muggling up things. The main goal was to enhance my knowledge in the backend development track, also to switch my job. Here in Crio, you get the proper guidance. I got a lot of reference links. I went through them. Then I implemented those things into my project. So I got to learn in a very arranged and a proper manner. The projects were very well directed. Those are projects which are very much related to the industry experience. You get to learn about how to figure out things on your own. If you're not able to figure out, then you get to the mentors. They were really cooperative with everything. If you get stuck, you are always provided with every sort of help you need. And like everybody is accessible. You can also ask for advice. They are also very willing to give you advice on your profession. Crio.do provides you with a good guidance and good things to learn from. You are exposed to every technology that you need in your development track.